With the rise in popularity of ads and evolving advertising landscape, it has become important to have tools that help to troubleshoot and optimize the ad delivery strategies effectively. Google Ad Manager's delivery tools offer a comprehensive solution for inspecting ads on websites, providing insights about ad selections and troubleshooting line item issues. With these insights, it is easy to understand and verify the setup of the line items and diagnose any issue that is present and causing hindrance in ad delivery. Let's see how we can add a new audio creative from a line item in Google Ad Manager. Sign in to Google Ad Manager. Click Delivery Tools. Click Webpage Ads to inspect desktop or laptop browser delivery, or click Mobile Web Ads to inspect mobile browser delivery. Enter the URL of the web page to inspect. Select a specific line item to troubleshoot. Click Continue. The URL opens in a separate window. You can return to the Ad Manager to see delivery details. Google Ad Manager's ability to analyze and optimize ad delivery is important for publishers who are looking to maximize the effectiveness of their ad campaigns. Google Ad Manager's delivery tools offer a user-friendly interface for inspecting ads on websites, providing insights about ad selections and troubleshooting line item issues.